What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is J-Soul. If you guys are new here, what's good? My name is Michelle, aka J-Soul, and I do videos about makeup, and hopefully in the future I will be doing some crazy shit, let's just say. So today is day 3 of prom season makeup tutorial. Basically what I'm doing this week, just trying to like remember the dresses, the color dresses that I've seen, and I'm matching the eyeshadow to that dress, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And my point for this whole week is that I'm doing prom makeup the whole week in hopes of a girl finding her matching color dress within my eyeshadow tutorial.
Once again, I'm gonna be taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna be digging into this medium pink and apply this all over my lid. Oh guys, and also a reminder that every product that I use here, they're listed in the description box in case you guys were ever wondering. Every mama that does their makeup, they must know this situation. The kids always come over. They always fucking come over. And I have a little girl growing up, and I ain't ready for this. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna be grabbing the Aurora Lights palette and be digging into that shimmery bright pink called Magical, and I'm just gonna be applying that on the lower part of my lid. So now I'm gonna be taking my NYX glitter glue, and the glitter that I will be using is by J Cat Beauty in the color Pink Tutu, and I'm just gonna be applying that starting off in the center of my lid and then just spreading and working things outward.
So I like using this diamond hairbrush because if you have a lot of glitter fall out on your face, this is actually perfect to actually just scrape that shit off, because it actually takes it off really well. So if you guys are tired of having a lot of fall out and you're like, fuck, like you always have to use a white bead, but it doesn't completely take it off. What takes it off the most is definitely a diamond brush. So that's just an idea that I'm putting out there. You guys don't have to do this, but if you guys try this, let me know if it actually worked out for you, because for me it works. Like, it takes off the glitter, like I'm gonna say 90%, you know, versus a white bead, you're just passing by your face. It's not really taking off anything.
So these lashes are from Dodo Lashes, and remember to use my code JSOUL at checkout, because right now, especially right now, they're having a sale on certain lashes that are very long and voluminous. So girl, save that motherfucking coin. Just do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Hey, bitch, was motherfucking good. You guys see that motherfucking highlight right there? Like, it's fucking blinding. So, bitch, remember, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help a homegirl out. And remember, like I always say, remember to do something different, try something new, and get the fuck out of your comfort zone, honey. Alright, guys, hope to see you guys on the next video, and bye, guys. Adios.